guys, so I got a Fabfitfun box, so I'm gonna be unboxing. So let's see what's in here together. Coming a little hard to open, just bear with me. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm gonna show you guys live, one by one, what's in here. Some paper. So it looks like it's how the box is curated with lots of love, of course, magazine. So I'll be taking a look at that. And there's a note from us and what's in the box. So we've got some ceramic bowls from Pier 1. Pier 1. And then we have Pure Nolitica Melt, which is 100% organic balm to oil, deeply nourishes skin and helps smooth perfections. Oh, and we have the, I don't know if you guys can see this. We have the Tarte. Oh, it's too bright. We have the Tarte of Sea H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I'm excited for this. I think my skin can use some hydration. What do you guys think? And then we have Baggage Claim eye masks in gold. Okay, so these were the 4 items. Paper. There's nothing in here. Okay, so I will show you guys the bowls. So they're styrofoam wrapped. They're these cute little bowls that you can have for nuts, chocolates, fruits. And this is blue, I don't know if you can tell color. And this is green. And then this is pink. Okay guys, I wanted to make this video as raw and live as possible. So thanks for watching. Keep on this channel for more videos. Love you guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And look out for more Emphasita YouTube videos.